added to a really jovial, happy mood in the stands, helping to raise the level of sound by more than a few decibels. Shirt sleeve order, very much the dress code. It is a venue this which simply adds to the spectacle of the game it stages. One of the most impressive arenas in this part of the world. And if you did just miss it, we are up and running already.
I think it's only right for me to respectfully acknowledge Fabio Cannavaro as being a little giant.
Yeah, not the tallest of centre-halves, but amongst the most commanding.
Yeah, and whatever he lacks in height, he makes up for in other areas. Anticipation, timing and tactical intelligence, they're all top class.
Alaba, Neymar, Jerome Boateng.
Well, each team knows that they're still well below standard.
And it's been given away. He's left his man. Plays it back. He's had a... Alaba. Neymar. Mbappe. And it's Messi. Cristiano Ronaldo. Vince. Beckham. Good challenge, he just... Lampard.
Goes for goal! Absolutely heavenly, and because of it, the finish was a mere formality.
Deadlock broken, it's 1-0.
Listen, when it comes to goals, Peter, in this team, he's had a goal!
Placement, the one place the keeper couldn't reach.
Well, I think two keepers would have had a hard time keeping that one out, never mind one. There was real venom in the strike and clear composure from the placement.
That has certainly made things interesting.
Well, there's resilience for you, Peter. As a side, they never lost focus despite the setback, and this is thoroughly merited. For me, now they can go one better, possibly.
Mbappe. And here's Rashford. It's Rashford!
Keeper deserves some sympathy there. He may not have seen that until too late.
So we have a breakthrough. Now how will things develop from here?
Look, he's the one everyone expects to put the ball in the net. That's what he's paid to do.
Rashford! Oh, that's a terrific save from the keeper.
Well, as Tesco, Peter, the keeper has just received an A+ grade. Hard one to call, Peter, isn't it? I mean, from what we've seen so far, both sides have provided ample evidence that they can add more goals, and I'm sure their respective managers...
Big chance! Rashford with the smoothest one-on-one finish. He is one very cool customer.
Peter, I can tell you, that was nothing short of a cold-blooded execution.
He's made it 3. Quite a day at the office for him.
That defence must be sick of the sight of him. He's been persistent and ruthless all game. He just hasn't stopped working.
Well, that has changed the dynamic somewhat.
Look, this position ought to convince them to increase their lead. I think they should be really positive about this now, Peter.
Just brushed off the ball there. Cristiano Ronaldo. Good ball, it's found its target. Mbappe! Lampard. And here's Rashford. And it's Cristiano Ronaldo. Played out to the right. Referee's given a throw. Mbappe. Oh, good take and a good air. He's gone for it! Shakhtar Donetsk can make their change now with a break in play. We have got ourselves a game here.
Listen, goals change games, and that has changed the whole complexion of this league. They have the momentum now.
A real chance to break. Cesc Fabregas. And here's Cristiano Ronaldo. Davis positions himself well and cuts it out.
Peter, they have to fight the onset of desperation and keep enough cool heads to still deliver.
And here's Rashford. Oh, great ball!
Threat from set pieces, he needs special attention to stop him making a run.
Davis battles to win it back, and the shot! And that would have been game, set and match.
He got too ahead of himself there, thinking how he could have made things safe.
Hits one! Another chance! Decisive strike! Great reactions in front of goal. He just saw what was on.
Oh, players like this fella almost have a sixth sense to get themselves in such great poaching positions. How quick-minded was that?
2 up and very little time left. Surely this is it.
Well, I think if they're going to have any hope from here, they'll need to see...
Shoots! And that is the last effort of the game. Decent win via a very competent performance. Without doubt, they were the better side, and the result reflects as much. What are your thoughts on today's game then, Tim?